Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Healy Cushion Forklift, model number CPYD18C. KU1H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds, and you'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics. I also want to show you this digital display. It is a great way to see everything that you need to see about your forklift. Very clear. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift currently has 42-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need 48, we can make that happen. Coming up here to the tires, these are black smooth cushion tires. And let's look at these lights up on front. We have these ultra bright LED headlights, as well as these combination lights up on top that show you not only that work light, but also the turn signals. Coming inside of the cabin, we have more great features, including that convex rear view mirror. We also have a steering wheel knob on the steering wheel, and we have a fully positionable, fully adjustable steering column. Speaking of fully adjustable, this seat here is fully adjustable. It moves both forwards and backwards and adjusts with your incline and recline. And you can see here that we have that high visibility orange safety belt as well. On that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn on your operator's thumb at all times, even when they're backing up. It's a great safety feature. Speaking of safety features, we have more safety features with those combination lights that show your brakes as well as your turn signals and the reverse, and you'll hear the backup alarm. And up there on the top, you see that we have that yellow magnetic strobe that is repositionable. It can be moved as you need to move it. So let me start it up. Let's take a listen. This forklift runs very smooth. It purrs like a kitten. If you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.